Hello to everyone. If you don't know me, my name is Sergio. I am a free online marketer and expert on crypto smart contract ecosystem. I live freely. That means that I have no own, I don't work for anyone. I'm free since 17 years. Okay, I repeat, 17 years. So you better listen what I'm saying to you, because if you are confused about Bitnest, I'm gonna show you where to look. Okay, so I'm gonna put the glasses on. Okay, I'm gonna just put a little disclaimer. Okay, this is not a presentation, but I always put a disclaimer. Okay, because those are businesses, no jobs. Okay, what I share is for informational purpose only and reflect my personal experience. The world of cryptocurrency, like any entrepreneurial activity, offers opportunities but also carry risks. It is up to you to carefully evaluate and make informed decisions. The final responsibility, it is always yours. Okay? So I already told you that this is not a presentation, so let's go to the point. Okay, so we are talking about the certification and the security of the contract. Okay, I have already answered. This video is about the proxy of Bitnest, because many people which they have no experience, they see some crap videos or crap blogs with people, shady people, and they threaten them. They tell them that don't do this business because the proxy can empty the ecosystem of Bitnest. Okay, yes, so it is. Okay, now, so I have already in the past, okay, this is my video which I do live. I send ChatGPT to Skynet CertiK, which controls the ecosystem of Bitnest constantly. Let me repeat, constantly. The late audit was in August of the new things that are coming in from the coin and other things. So, okay, let's cut short. In this video, then I will give you the link, I will show you live, no tricks, that I ask ChatGPT to go in Skynet, which this is a portal, live portal, control everything, and go and have a look if in case the proxy or whatever, anyone can empty. And then he answered me, this is one of the best in the world. This has 99 out of 100 secure score. You don't find anything much secure than this, okay? Okay, but let me answer to these people who are no expert, who they're going and have a look and right and left, and they have no idea what they're doing, okay? So many people, when they check Bitnest, they go to the site DeFi, which is this one, okay? This is a third-party DeFi, or they go straight to the BscScan, so which is this one. This is the address of the DeFi, and what they do what as a inexpert, they do this, okay? Well, when you see a proxy alone, they think that it is upgradable contract. You see, something that it could be changed. See, everything I read here is ChatGPT. They want to have a look. I asked him a question, and now this is the report that he gives me. You understand? You understand where you have to go and have a look. Okay. So when seen alone, a proxy, okay, may look like upgradable contract. Now, listen, something that could be changing and withdraw the fund. That's why those people are scared. Of course, they don't know anything about it. They see it's upgradable. So, and this is the link, okay? If you go on the link, which is this one, contract, as you can see, it's a proxy, okay? So what they do, they go read contract, and they see this, okay? And they go write contract, and they see exactly the same. So they panic, okay? So what he say, what ChatGPT says, which he knows a little bit more than me and you know, combined together, of course. If you go and then they say, sorry, there is no available contract, but just the thing is written there. And this is where the public panic, you know, thinking that it's dangerous. But the truth is different. This is not me that I'm telling you. This is ChatGPT after all the control that's done on Skynet, CertiK, about Bitcoin. He says, this proxy, okay, the panic because it's dangerous, but the truth is different. This proxy is a minimal proxy. That's why it has this thing written, because it doesn't count the thing. That's why he has this thing written. Totally the opposite of what you think, okay? Then he has no power over the fund. Okay, so the thing is just a little teeny bit of things that you cannot do anything. It is only forward instruction, just like secretary. This is to make you understand, if you're no expert of DeFi, if you're no expert of decentralized finance, it treats you like a baby and it makes you understand you don't have to panic, because it's like a secretary who takes the message and passes on. He has no power or anything, okay? The important point is that the proxy should never be looked at as a situation. So all those inexpert people, whether they see junk videos, junk blogs, which they leave parasite, or they try to do their research by themselves, of course, they get scared because they look where they don't have to look and they don't know, okay? You must know the game. If you don't know the game, you're lost, okay? Or you must have a sponsor which knows what he knows. I've been free since 17 years. I think I know what I do, okay? So, the important point is the proxy should never be looked at isolation, because then you get confused. It must be seen inside the Bitnest ecosystem. You see, as he says Bitnest ecosystem, it doesn't say Bitnest lead smart contract tiny bitty that is going to stop tomorrow. No, it says the ecosystem, okay, which has been verified by CertiK, which is one. Is it me saying this or who? No, it's ChatGPT that he went to control about Bitnest. He says he has one of the highest safety score in the entire DeFi. If you go here, see the safety score. 99 out of 100. No any parasite can tell you the contrary. Okay? Use your head. Okay? This is ChatGPT that he went to control, and he confirmed that. So then you go all the links, okay, here. This is Skynet, this is live. I repeat to you, I'll maybe repeat 100 times, but hopefully one understand. This is live, and then you can see that Bitnest, even if you see my other video, as continually, you see, million coins. This is a new piece of Bitnest. This is the true ecosystem that you're going to put new pieces, and you will learn more and more. Everything that they put in, it's automatically controlled by CertiK. Is it clean? Is it clear or what? Is it a little smart contract that you've been working on? I don't think so. This is huge, okay? Then you got liquidity pool, nobody can touch it. I've done 100 videos. So, all those checks, okay, proves the same thing. Who say that? ChatGPT that went inside here and did his control of CertiK on Bitnest live, okay, today, not 100 days ago, okay? Then he says, the proxies has zero decision making power. Let me repeat. The proxy has zero decision on making power. Point. The thing is closed, okay? It cannot withdraw or move per fund. I repeat. It cannot withdraw or move funds. The ecosystem is solid, transparent, and independently audited. So put your head, forget it. This is true, okay? This is rocks. These rocks since 2 years and 5 months. You will find no one single soul that hasn't been paid by the ecosystem in the world, okay? So there is absolutely nothing to worry about. Who says this? Sergio? No. ChatGPT that went inside the Skynet and control everything. You understand? Looking, and then no, nothing to worry about, okay? Looking only the proxy, which, inexpert people do, can create confusion, but inside the Bitnest, it is simply a small technical component, 100% safe, okay? So, underneath every video, for you English-speaking people, because I got people from all over the world, it's hard to find an expert, you see? So, you got the link to start, you got the full presentation, my contact, any doubt you have, Telegram or Facebook. And here I have created something for you, so you don't have to go and look left and right. You see all the video I do? All the video I do with live proof within blockchain. I don't talk, bullshit. So you got 4 sub playlists, so you don't have to waste them. You want to see all the money coming in my wallet? Go and see all the proof. I have been doing this since just 4 months. I have already 330 people from all over the world. The whole earning possibly. Okay, just 4 months, not 4 years. Okay, live proof, you're going to see it. Step-by-step tutorial. You don't know anything, you have to sign up or whatever. You're going to see it. Security, compensation plan, and insurance of the contract, because nobody told you. Your funds are insured, automatically insured when you invest here. And you can invest for maximum 28 days, not 2 years like the trader in Dubai that you will go run away with your wallet, with your money, okay? So, security, compensation plan, and insurance. And here we see many videos clear about any doubt about security, and nobody's going to steal the money here, okay? Motivation mindset. Okay, I wish you a lovely day. This is live. You see 42,800,000. If I click here, it redirects in the blockchain. This is magic. 2 years, 170 days, paying non-stop. Okay, my friend, take action right now.